Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Valrie Can Help. My name is Deshannae, and I will be showing you how to do a towel folding. And today, the art that we're going to be doing is the swan. So I'm going to show you how to do it really quick, really easy. You know, towel foldings are one of those things that I just absolutely love because it just gives a different vibe to your room or to anywhere that you're putting it, really. And it just makes you feel good. Personally, I like seeing it when you come in, it's on your bed, has those nice little animal creations there with some flowers maybe, especially if you go on vacation and you see these things, it kind of makes you feel good. It makes you feel welcomed, and I don't know, it just does something for you, so I'm just going to show you really quick how to do a few towel foldings. So let's get started. So get a standard towel like this. And it doesn't really have to be any specific size. Use what you have and it should work out fine. The technique is the same regardless of the size of your towel. So I'm using this towel now. What you have to do is lay it out flat, completely flat. We don't want any ripples. We don't want any wrinkles, nothing. We're going to do this completely flat, okay? Now, my technique is that I normally use my finger to mark the center of my towel. Normally when you're folding your towel, it automatically comes with a crease because of just how often you fold your towel. So for me, it already has a crease. I already know where the center is. So I just put my hand here and I go to the end all the way down here. I get my hand is blocking right here. This end right here, I hold it and I start to roll. You can do this slack, you could do this tightly, it's all up to you. Towel folding should not be hard, should be something fun that you do, okay? Switch the hand so you can use this hand to do the other side. Same edge, and we're gonna just roll. You could do it slack, you could do it tightly, completely up to you. Do what suits you. This is for you. Okay, and then we're gonna bring it in just like this. Right, so this is how it should look. This is how it should look. Now, what I do is I raise it up like this, and then I kind of shape it, give a little pressure to it to get it to stay up, because sometimes it's gonna fall, sometimes it's gonna be bent out of shape, but that's okay. It takes practice. It took me a while to learn how to do this, and I'm still not perfect, so don't worry. We're here to learn and grow together. So we have this here, just like so. Get this really snug. Widen it a little bit. Oh no. Down it went. Okay. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, patience. Okay. So normally you could leave it like this because it's just fine like this, really. Or some people like to maybe pull it back like this so it has like more of a, let me turn it so you could see. Could leave it like this if you want to. Or some people tend to tuck it in. Let me show you. Like tuck it in a little bit just to kind of control the back of it. So you could do whatever you'd like. Some people put like eyes. Some people would use like flower petals to make the eyes, or you could just leave it like this. But I'm going to show you if in case you would like to put a shell. I know the colors don't match. Don't crucify me in the comments. But a section to make the back that looks so nice and fanned out, we're basically going to make a fan. So this now shows a second technique that you can use to make your creations. So we're going to go like this, you know, just keep folding in, out, out, in. We used to do this a lot when we were kids in primary school. We would do this to make fans and stuff. So it's the same technique, just like this. And then we'd go in the center like this and bring it around just like this. Let me bring this back down here so you can see it properly. And then you just put it at the back of your swan, and then you would just let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow. There we go. Okay, just like that. You could put it further in if you'd like, just to let it kind of taper off a little bit, just to give it a different look or a different feel. My fan is not looking as I would want it, but you can just quickly fix that. Just with a little bit of fixing. Like I said, it takes practice, and I'm still learning too. So we're learning together. All right, so you could maneuver it, fix it. If you don't want this part, that's completely fine too. You can leave it like this. You can leave it like this. You know, it's completely up to you. So now I'm going to show you how to do one of my favorites, and that is a flower. Now, same towel, because we're using the same one, because, you know, trying to show you how we could do different foldings with just one towel. So you fold your towel, regularly folding it, just as if you were going to put it away after laundry day. All right. And you fold it just like this, nice and even, just like that. Okay. Now, I want you to follow me. We're going to put our finger again right in the center, and we're going to bring it in, just the end, not too far, just bring it in. Put your finger again. You're going to bring it in so that it matches. See, it matches. Then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side, where we bring it in, just like that. Get it nice and even. Then we keep our finger in the center now, and we bring it in. So we're trying to get it even. So let's get everything nice and even. Maybe I should start with the bottom first. So the bottom seems to be giving me issues today. But nothing that we can't fix. All right. Do this like so. Do this like so. Seems not giving me what I want today. It's okay. We're going to keep working at it. Practice makes perfect. That's our motto here. Practice makes perfect. But it would give a perfect square if it was a square, but my towel is more of a rectangle. So we're just going to keep working what we have. Still going to get to what we're trying to get to, but not going to look as perfectly square as I'd like it. All right. So now we're going to put our hand here and do a flip. Don't remove your hand. Take your time and pull it out. Okay. And remember what I said about using your finger? We're going to do that again. So we're going to pull that in and use our finger to hold it, because you don't want it, you know, flipping back that way. Then we're going to use our other finger to hold that. Use our other finger to hold it. Use our other finger to hold it, because we want to keep it from moving and flipping out like this. Then at the bottom, we're going to pull it out right here. Gonna pull, pull, pull. Again, under the bottom, I'm gonna pull. Once you feel under, you're gonna feel the part where you should pull. So there, we're gonna do the other side. All right, there we go. Now you see why we kept our hand here, so that now it stays on its own. So now this is a flower. This is a nice technique you could use also. You can see it properly. Raise it up. Looks like a flower. Put it really nice so you can see. Really pretty. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you one last art, and this is going to be a heart. Heart, get it? Sorry. I'm trying to make jokes. All right. So remember what I showed you about the swan? It's the very same way we're going to do that to get the heart. So remember the finger? I'm going to put the finger here, and we're going to bring it around. We're going to do it as tightly or loosely as you'd like. This is completely up to you. Have fun doing this, guys. You know, have fun. All right, and we're just going to keep going and going as tightly or as loosely as you'd like. All right, and then we're going to bring it around. Now, what we do now is we bring it in like so to make the heart. We bring it in like so to make the heart. Now, you can maneuver it as you like. You can fix it how you like. Something like this would be so nice for maybe like Valentine's Day, or maybe just your anniversary, or any little thing that, you know, you could do this for. It's a nice little heart. You could put some flowers. You could put the gift that you have for the person. You could put chocolate. The possibilities are endless. But it's also always nice to have little arts like this displayed on your bed or anywhere that you want it to go. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. We're so excited, and we're so thankful, and we're so grateful to each and every one of you for subscribing to our channel, for commenting, for liking, for sharing. And we're just so happy that we have the opportunity to share our knowledge and to just grow with you guys and just be completely kind, transparent, and supportive to each and every one of you. Thank you. And we'll catch you in another video. Bye. And I almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Follow us on all social media platforms. We are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we're just so happy to have each and every one of you. And we just cannot wait to watch and grow with you guys and just see how much you guys support us. It's just really good. So thank you. And have a wonderful day, guys.